Hey y'all, if you want to see how I made this Merry Swiftmas tumbler and the super cute reaction when my cut swap partner opened it, keep watching. Trust me, you'll want to see the end of this one. I'm starting off with a 40-ounce Big Betty from the Tipsy Magnolia. It's a big cup for a big holiday energy. I taped out the bottom and the inside of the handle with painter's tape, then gave it a good coat of Dixie Belle bonding boss to prep the paint. Next, I went full on Swiftie aesthetic. I found a few Taylor-inspired images on Etsy, mashed them together into one design, and cut it out using Cricut stencil vinyl. I weeded the outline, filled it in with a black acrylic paint marker, and it instantly gave pop star Christmas chic. Then it was time for one of my favorite parts, the checkerboard pattern. I used 1-inch painter's tape to map out perfect 2-inch squares. I thought about adding more to the bottom, but it's smaller than the top, so we're keeping it balanced and bold up top. This tumbler was for a Secret Santa cup swap in the Diamond Fire Rhinestones Creates group. And when I found out my person was a Swiftie who loves Big Betties, I knew I had to go big or go home. Now let's talk about the Santa design, because wow, so much detail. I used a mix of SS8s down to SS3s in neon onyx. That beard alone was a whole commitment, y'all. For all those tiny details, SS3s were a must, and not every color comes in that size. So plan ahead when you're doing an intricate work like this. Originally, I thought I'd stick with one shade of pink, but then I remembered I had options. So I switched it up. You'll see me using different shades up for the bubble gum and Santa's glasses. It gave the whole piece that extra sparkle dimension. For the checkerboard outlines, I used Crystal Luster SS8s and then added Neon Rose Luster for the pink squares and Blue Opalite for the blue. That pink is definitely my new obsession. To finish it off, I created a subtle ombre transition where the white meets the colors, even blending between the squares for a smooth gradient. The bottom came together quickly and I added my finishing touches, outlining in Neon Onyx SS6s and SS8s, then used in random colors from my stash to bling out the disco ball. And here it is, the finished Merry Swiftmas Tumbler. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you recreate this or something similar, tag me so I can see your version. Don't forget, use my code Tiana10 at Diamond Fire Rhinestones to save some money on your sparkle. Now for the best part, here's a reaction video from my cup swap partner opening her tumbler. Her face says it all.
It's so hard to not look at the box and the label to see who it's from because I want to be surprised. First thing I see when I pick it up off the porch, Swiftie. Yes, absolutely. Happy mail. Is that? Seriously? Oh my goodness. 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 Swiftie. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know this is going to be freaking spectacular. See, there she goes on her shit. I promise you she is okay. She just has doggy dementia. She's 15 and a half. So yeah, don't mind her. This is going to be so hard. This is going to be a lot of squealing, I promise. I'm sorry in advance. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh, there's some fun extras in here. Oh my goodness. And a straw. And a note. Oh my goodness. Oh, so cute. Tiana. Seriously, Tiana. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Okay. Extras first because I love all the extras. Candy, and it's a Grinch. I love it. I was just listening to an audiobook, How My Neighbor Stole Christmas, and it's based off of the Grinch. Super cute. Of course, my cutesy little romances. What does it say? In my Merry Swiftmas era. Oh my goodness, I love it. Yay! I love it, I love it. Yay! Oh my goodness. This is going to be spectacular. I know it is. I can't. This is too intense. Okay, good. It's wrapped. It's my Swiftie. This is too much. Okay, this has got to be like a Big Betty. Because she's Big Betty. She's Big Betty. Oh my god. I'm not going to drink out of this at all. 100% no. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god. Yeah, this is freaking amazing. Stellar. My dogs are wondering why I'm losing my shit. Okay, it's got a Sandman of bubblegum. And this is Merry Swiftmas. Oh my god, I cannot with this. And on here it says Santa's favorite Swiftie. And it's got a mirror ball. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god, I love it. Holy shit. Sorry for the bad words. Oh my god. Seriously. How do you do this? I mean, damn. Wow. Did your eyes go blind doing this? Because this is freaking stellar. I mean, look at the detail on this stuff. Look at the detail. Like, even down to the... Oh my goodness.